Howdy everyone, this is Grant Finer with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments, and we're at the Alexan at the Galleria, and we're at their wellness center. So we're gonna pop in and see the center right now. Let's go take a peek at it. All right, so let's walk in and take a look at it. This is what it looks like, and it's really, really pretty here at the fitness center. It's nice. You can see it's got a really nice treadmills, ellipticals. It's got some really, really nice things here. Looks like some Stairmasters. It's got also a dumbbells that are there. It's got some machine-aided weights that are here too. So really, really nice. And it leads right out to the pool. So it's a pretty decent sized space. It's got this thing in the middle too that's pretty cool. Like seeing it. So it's a really nice space in there in that middle. It's got some kettlebells and things like that. So this is the gym here at the Alexan at the Galleria. It does have a water bottle space there too. So anyway, just want to see it. It's a good looking gym. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.